Hello, my name is Bert O'Neill, and I would like to talk about some of the key takeaways from my ETEC-6010 internship class during the spring 2022 semester. These are some of the key takeaways, and really I had a lot of takeaways. And today is April 28, 2022. All right, some of the key takeaways. I got a chance to learn about adoptive and assistive technology use, and there are so many tools out there now, and so much technology out there now that can be used to help students who are hearing impaired, physically impaired, visually impaired, and even literally literacy impaired. So that's exciting that I'll be able to go back and take a look at those things that could help us reach every student. And that's what our goal is at CLTCC, is to reach every student. I got a chance to learn about the Epson BrightLink 710 UI projectors. I actually got a chance to troubleshoot and repair one of these projectors or get it back going for an instructor. And also I got a chance to work with the vendor technical support, who was able to show me how to go from scratch as far as setting the board and the projector up. So that was a good learning experience that I can take with me. I learned about Microsoft PowerPoints, even more about Microsoft PowerPoints, and this is one of my favorite ways to train people. And I learned how to do so many different things on Microsoft. I learned how to do screen recordings of for instructions for students. I learned how to create forms and quizzes on Microsoft PowerPoint. I learned how to embed or narrate slides on Microsoft PowerPoint. I got a chance to annotate slides as well on Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool that I can use in pretty much any situation. I also use Microsoft Word to create a self-generating, self-grading exam for students. So all of those are key points that I learned, or key takeaways that I learned during this class. So, and really, that's just a short list of some of the things I learned. I learned a lot as far as, and like I said, consider these assistive technologies that I can use to help efficiently train students. And also, one other thing before I go to the next slide on the second takeaway, I learned how to use OBS software now, where I can actually use the OBS software to do a presentation like I'm doing with this PowerPoint. Another key takeaway was my actual final project for the class. I actually got a chance to use Canvas, got a chance to create a online class, an online seminar, the Digital Citizenship Seminar 2022. So that was a great learning experience. It was very detailed, like Dr. Sampson said, and it really took a lot of time and effort. I tried to be creative when I did this, because I put interactive PowerPoint quizzes in it. I put an interactive Jeopardy game in there. So I was just trying to be creative. And some of it didn't work out totally like planned because of some limitation with Canvas. But I did learn a lot as far as trying different things to try to be creative as far as what I was doing. And I also, like I said, I learned a lot. I got a chance to use Canvas, and then it was a little frustrating trying to use OneDrive, but I actually used that as well. So I got a little experience in learning more about OneDrive. My last takeaway I like to talk about is the internship at church went well. Got a chance to learn a lot more about Easy Worship 7. Learned that our computer was inadequate for this program, and I got a chance to train some church members. And actually, they did a lot of the stuff the last few weeks themselves because of my training. So that went well. And I also troubleshooted some computers. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much, and I enjoyed the class thoroughly.